Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have Shivesh here with me.
Hi.
I'm so excited because we and Yoda, who is the cutest. But I'm so excited for today's video because I get to bake with Shivesh finally.
With the challenge.
With the challenge. So we are doing a challenge video today, and as you can tell, obviously I'm not at my house in my kitchen. This is the most professional setup I have seen. So I'm quickly gonna explain the challenge to you guys. We both are going to make a choco lava today.
Yes.
The only challenge is that we have all our ingredients laid out, but we don't know the measurements.
Yeah, so there's no recipe
Yeah,
that we can
and-
follow. I have never made anything without measuring my ingredients. So today all the measuring cups have been put back in the drawer.
Yeah.
And we'll get to see the recipe for 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. So we found a recipe on the internet that we'll get to glance at for 30 seconds.
And then
Then
That's
फिर
it.
हाँ.
खुद से बनाना है हमको, measurements नहीं पता हमको.
Making separate ones. So it's
Yeah.
a challenge between the both
Both
of
of us to
and
see.
we'll see who does a better job.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
We have the recipes sent to us on our phone. हम अभी खोल के देखने वाले हैं. 30 seconds का time वो भी लग रहा है. I'm getting very stressed out because
I know मेरे को तो board exams के बाद इतना stress अब हुआ है
Shivesh is a
graphic.
pro. He is going to see and उसको oh my god no network. Wait.
एक
Okay.
सेकंड मतलब इंग्रेडिएंट्स में मैदा और ये सब है प्रोसेस में तो है ही नहीं
मतलब
तो कहाँ है मैदा कहाँ मिक्स करना है कुछ है भी मैदा ओ गॉड चलो
double boilers and what? Oh my god, all this is very complicated. How will we make this?
हम माइक्रोवेव कर लेंगे उसको मेल्ट करने के लिए बेसिकली
No.
बट मुझे अभी भी नहीं मिला तुम एक बार रेसिपी देखो उसमें मैदा डालने का है ही नहीं कहीं ऑप्शन
यार I read a lot of complicated.
है
हम वहाँ
3
तक नहीं
steps में
पहुँचे.
तो इन्होंने रेसिपी खत्म कर दिया चलो ठीक है लेट्स डू इट वील फाइंड आउट कुछ चॉपिंग बोर्ड कुछ नाइफ कुछ नहीं
He is
मिलेगा
very strict. He's like जो चाहिए बस लिमिट में मिलेगा. So we've read the recipe and I did not get to read anything.
मुझे भी वैसे कुछ खास समझ नहीं आया बट आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू डू व्हाटएवर
मैं
मुझे समझ
स्नीकीली
आया
शिवेश को कॉपी करने वाली हूँ धीरे धीरे.
उसके मार्क्स कटेंगे आपके चलो आई विल
क्या
स्टार्ट बाय
step है?
चॉपिंग कुछ तो यू हैव टू डू ओनली ना
I just read you have to put butter.
line it with butter
Yes.
not bad I am chopping some chocolate because it's a chocolate lava cake so I'm going to but मुझे quantities का literally कोई roughly भी idea नहीं है I was just telling
मुझे
Ashna that
quantities पता है क्योंकि मैंने वो अच्छे से पढ़ा.
but you can't measure anything anyway so and I was telling Ashna कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी आदत नहीं है without measuring bake करने की so
Exactly. मैं तो वैसे भी मेरा गड़बड़ मेजरिंग के साथ भी हो जाता है तो इसमें I have no hopes. I think सिर्फ शिवेश का टेस्ट करने मिलेगा हमको.
but
Choco
the
lava.
challenge is to get that lava inside the cake so once we actually bite into it the real test would be for the lava to come out तो वो
Oh,
होगा
yeah.
कि नहीं that is the challenging part I am literally just taking some random quantity of butter and some random
Adding
quantity
very
of
little.
chocolate and I'll melt both of these together वैसे मैं क्यों like
So have you made choco lava before?
I made chocolate lava cake
So
before
then you know.
but this was in lockdown like the first lockdown and the last time I baked without a recipe was never so this is equally challenging for me also
I'm going to add chocolate and butter.
but there's a try to at least not copy
I have added a little bit of butter to kind of line this, and I'm adding a little bit of flour also to it because the recipe says so, and that's what I read.
and I have melted my butter and chocolate together and I'll now wait for Ashna to catch up so that I don't keep giving the recipe to her and meanwhile I'll also start by lining my ramekin.
I'll start with 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks. I'm seeing if you've read all that.
Perfect. I've also lined my this thing and now I'm going to add eggs in this. I'm going to add 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk
Why?
because that's what I read.
I read 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks. Are you sure?
नहीं,
You've
मुझे
read
भी doubt हो
correctly.
रहा है. एक second, I think I read 1 egg and 2 egg yolks.
I read
I'm
2
gonna
eggs, 2 egg yolks.
I'm going to put in 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. We'll see. Oh, मैंने एक white डाल दिया. Shit. Too late. I'm putting 3 eggs now in total. Change कर दिया.
ये पता नहीं अब क्या होने वाला है.
I have taken
जो
a different
consistency.
direction. हाँ, I feel like थोड़ा सा eggy हो सकता है मेरा this thing, but we'll find out. मेरे को please
We have
tissue
to add cocoa powder and flour and no, there is no cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. So confused.
Honestly, I didn't see it in the. नहीं मेरे को तो मैदा भी नहीं दिखा in the process.
Process, हाँ, even I didn't see the
I feel like
ingredients.
कि जो हमें रेसिपी दी गई है guys, it's डॉक्टर.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
उसमें बहुत गड़बड़ है. मुझे बहुत डाउट है मैं इसे कितनी चीनी डाल दूँ बस अंदर. Like literally just eyeballing it, no idea. How much butter do you want? This much?
No.
So suspicious for no reason. It's like, no.
Not that much. वैसे.
This is half.
I can,
this is exactly what I have used. So this is like half of this
ठीक है.
thing.
Shivesh is so competitive. I didn't expect him to be this competitive. He's seeing us go खराब हो रहा है.
Please आशना के chocolate chopping में वो डाल देना 12 hours later. Because काफी time हो गया है and I am going to add flour and cocoa powder into mine.
Okay.
Again, just random.
यार, I don't know what I'm doing.
ये
People that are know how to make a chocolate lava must be crying looking at me.
Actually,
क्या किया उसने?
so actually eggs and egg yolk में डाला है butter, but I'm not going to say much because you never know last में उसका एकदम perfect बन
ठीक
जाए
है.
and I look like some stupid
अब मैं
person.
इसमें chocolate भी mix कर दूँ.
हाँ please. Go for it.
हाँ please go for it. Right?
This is allowed, huh?
ये क्या किया है?
This is a competition.
This point I have to add flour. What he's made my mixture.
It's looking like some pasta sauce now.
शिवेश ने मेरे बोल में फ्लावर फेंक दिया है.
और
अब मुझे मेजरमेंट तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
And Arshad से ये pick up किया चलो ठीक है मैं डाल ही देती हूँ और मैदा. Great. I am mixing in my flour and I am also adding in random amount of cocoa powder.
Random amount.
14 hours later.
Cutting
Back to
chocolate.
meanwhile, I feel like we can add a glorious close-up of my batter. जो मैं overconfident हो रहा हूँ.
मुझे लग रहा है.
I think it's going to backfire.
Over नहीं, मुझे शिवेश confident काफी लग रहा है वैसे तो.
हमें one chocolate lava cake each बनाना है. मैंने 6
I
का
think,
batter बना
हाँ.
दिया है फिर.
I
And
think
I'm
this
going
much
to
should be
take.
enough अभी.
Yeah, आशा hope करेंगे किसी के expression से she can probably pick up कि ठीक है. And I'm also putting chocolate into my. I feel like मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा overfill कर लिया अपना ramekin, but I have too much batter. So.
I want to add extra flour in your this thing for badla.
Mine is ready. Mine is ready. Now nobody can touch this. This is no fiddling zone.
Shivesh is ready, guys. I'm on my second step yet. This is regular person versus professional.
But अभी जब बन के आएगा तब पता चलेगा.
Imagine if मेरा अच्छा.
वही ना exactly. I am
Uल्टा
expecting
हो
इसे
गया.
एक proper twist in the
There is something
video.
wrong here.
It's
Can
suddenly-
turn out good.
It's looking suddenly better after adding chocolate. वैसे flour मेरे को दिखा तो नहीं था रेसिपी में. You sure you want to
Even
put
I
it?
didn't see, but
I feel.
I will put it.
I feel like जरूरत है
Trying
नहीं
to
शायद.
change my mind.
This eyeballing this thing is too random.
Too
मतलब
difficult
even if
also.
हमें process पता होता तो भी without measurements तो it's still equally tricky. आशा काफी carefully वो कर रही है. मैं तो randomly let's just go for it.
Lastly, I'm gonna add little powder and sugar.
Oh, shit. I was hoping you forgotten about the sugar.
I looked at that, I'm like, sugar. Now I'll add one chocolate cube. He's added 2. So I'm going for 1.5.
Safer and going 1.5.
See. Oh my god, I'm very excited, but to see if we get the
I feel like
lava.
even if the lava doesn't come, it'll be yum. That much I have a feeling. Yours is looking much better. वैसे to be honest, right now, I feel like Ashna's is looking better. We'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius. Time now we'll decide साथ में because
Both of us are putting it together.
in the same oven.
So I think.
I feel 20 minutes.
Shit, I was gonna say 15, but ठीक है.
ठीक है, we'll check once.
We can
after
check once at
15
15
and
and then done.
चलो.
We put it in the oven for 15 minutes and they are out now.
And
Looks
mine
good.
is not done, but like I can tell that mine is too undercooked right now. But will I be allowed to bake it again? Should I put it back in the oven?
Judge says no.
No. Yours is looking good.
Shivesh is very sad while saying it.
Huh.
It's like yours is looking good.
Oh no! Oh shit! And this butter coating also stuck to my
Oh
face.
shit, even I'll have that disgusting coating. I think even mine is gonna be
Yeah,
the
this
same.
is
So guys, this is a close-up of Shivesh.
काफी lava हो गया. Like there's no cake, it's only lava.
And this is the butter
Fantastic.
and
Flour ka
that-
coating, which
yeah.
is stuck to my
I
cake.
feel like mine is also going to be the same.
No, yours looks much structured. Much structured.
Really?
Wow!
This disgusting
And this,
coating that we
this
have.
coating is disgusting. I said,
But-
I don't know if we should even eat this. Oh god, go for it. I can see there's
But
some molten.
Yeah, this I think we need to.
Go for it.
So we have our judges tasting.
Oh! Ashna! Wow!
I'm so disappointed.
Fantastic! Crazy! Guys, taste मेरा भी करो. Guys, please taste mine also.
Okay, now y'all can taste. And I mean, taste also matters.
हाँ,
Yeah,
please.
taste yours.
हाँ.
But this is really
This is
ganda.
No, no.
This flour.
This
and-
ऊपर वाला layer
You
is
should just put butter.
हाँ, not the
Yeah,
flour.
not the flour. It looks
And
very
even more
dicey.
batter.
Go for it. Please.
Yeah,
Yum?
not bad.
Yeah. At least the taste is fine.
It's nice.
Yours is also very nice.
Yeah.
Little less sweet, but
Sugar and
Should we taste
There's-
our own now?
there's
Yeah.
cake and there's
Very
lava.
This is very yummy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yay! Riya, taste.
Shivesh's taste test is approved.
But this gets all the points for structure
Mm.
and taste.
But this has good balance of chocolate
Yeah.
and sweetness. But this is there's
And
legit
weirdly-
cake and
Huh.
chocolava happening here.
Weirdly, Ashna's tastes a little more eggy, even though you have 3 eggs.
Hmm.
But he has
But-
vanilla also.
Yeah.
But yeah,
But good job. I mean, great.
Oh my god, yum.
Mine needed just some more minutes in the oven. 5 minutes और. तो ठीक है, चलो. आशना का actually
good
काफी
job.
stunning.
This was not expected.
I know.
Not
That's
at
the
all.
flour you had in this kitchen.
Yeah.
Shivesh was too
No, but
competitive.
it's true.
That's why I'm feeling bad.
Yeah.
that I won.
No, but yours definitely
But
was,
this was a surprise.
beautiful. And I don't think हमारे पास वो close-up of the lava coming out, but that was
Yeah.
actually quite cool.
I can't believe I did something like that. But we thought we can now read the recipe for you guys and see where we went wrong and what all
Correct.
we've missed.
So there's no cocoa powder. We both added
We
cocoa
both-
powder
Yeah.
because why not? Two
And,
eggs, 2 egg yolks. So you were right about that.
Mhm. Oh yes.
Yeah.
But still, yours tastes. I don't know
And
the batter.
it says 1 stick unsalted butter. We've added half each. हाँ.
And 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. I got that right.
Oh, मैंने तो काफी डाल दिया इसका मतलब.
1/4 cup sugar. Did you add more?
No,
I
think mine
feel
would have been
mera
around.
was a little less, and that is it.
But it says butter and lightly flour. हम लोगों ने flour जो किया है that looks disgusting because
Yeah,
it's
so I
gotten stuck
think
to the.
skip that step.
हाँ. Where's maida going in? It's literally not there only in the recipe.
Whisk chocolate, then fold the egg mixture
Along with the
with
flour. Oh, that along with the flour मेरे को दिखाई
The
नहीं.
whole mixing thing I've done ulta. Everything. Like
Yeah.
I've just done it in any order. And
And clearly it doesn't matter because
Yeah.
result तो हो ही गया. Also, हम लोगों ने जो chocolate chunks डाले थे, actually that's not a part of the recipe.
It's not a part of the recipe, but I feel like वो lava हमको
Correct,
मिलता ही नहीं if you wouldn't put the chocolate.
नहीं है
in.
ना कितना
I mean,
हाँ, मतलब even the batter and आशा ने काफी बाजीगर बनकर हार के जीतने वाले को I was saying only that the fun twist would be if Ashna turns out well
But
done.
I really like both taste wise, so it's a win-win.
ठीक है.
Thank you so much for coming
Thank
on
you
my
so
channel.
much.
This was very fun for me, especially because I do cooking videos, but
Yeah.
I'm very.
And this was like a fun.
Most of them are a
challenge
fail,
making,
so this
yeah.
this was fun to
This
do with
was
Shivesh.
killer.
So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to Shivesh, subscribe to me, and there's also a video we filmed on Shivesh's channel, so
Yes.
please check that out. And I do shout outs before I
Okay.
end my video.
Huh, huh,
So
huh.
can
Yes,
you do the
you do.
shout outs for me?
Done.
today?
So guys, 2 shout outs for today are Tanisha Kate and Lavanya Kale. To get a shout out in my next video, all you need to do is subscribe. So please subscribe. Not
Oh my
bad.
god, this is good. I didn't know you knew my outro. Anyway,
Awesome.
thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all next. I'll see you
Next.
next time. Bye.
Bye.